Hi all. In this video, I'll be speaking to you about meditation. What are the best benefits you get when you do meditation? Because many people they say you have to do meditation and it helps you. It helps you they say, but why? What happens when you do meditation? You have to know before doing anything in that ways. So in this video, I will be speaking to you about emotional benefits and basically the psychological setup. How do you feel and think after doing meditation? So the first benefit or what you gain doing meditation is it melts relieves stress whatever you are undergoing in our daily life, because we cannot ignore or we cannot avoid stress in our daily life, because stress it has become a part of our life where we can't ignore, or we cannot avoid anything in that way. So stress is relieved when you do meditation regularly, and it gives a lot of positive energy. I mean, now people will ask me what actually is meditation. I have explained about meditation in a video, but I feel that I have to tell what actually is meditation. Meditation is uh, you have to close your eyes, and you have to breathe in and breathe out. Give more importance for your breathing there, and inhale and exhale. And when you're doing it, you are not thinking about anything, and whatever thoughts or whatever feel you're getting, you're just letting go in the meditation process. That's called meditation, because people think when you're doing meditation you have to focus towards something, but actually you should not focus towards anything, but you have to keep yourself as much as blank as possible when you're doing meditation. So the second benefit or what you get doing meditation is it's like you reflect on yourself more and more when you do meditation, because when you're doing it, when you're in that process, you connected to yourself and you reflect, and you think and feel what's happening to you. And it's important, it is a need to do it, self reflection, because to progress in life, self reflection, as I've told in previous video, it's very important. So the third benefit what you get is focus towards the present. When you do meditation, you do not focus too much about the past or the future. It will be more connected to your present life, and what's happening to your life, that will be more reflected when you do meditation on a regular basis. And when you do focus more towards the present, the outcome or the quality life will improve. So that's the big gift you get when you do meditation. The fourth benefit or what actually you get is it increases empathy and compassion towards people. Exactly, when you are into meditation, it's you give more importance for your needs, and you give up a few of wants in life. Wants are something related to more materialistic life. And when you're doing in the when you're in the process of meditation, you give more importance for the compassion and kindness part, and your values also will boost more and more in yourself, and you become a better person, and people will see the positiveness in you, and you spread positive vibes to people when you do meditation. And you gain inner source of energy, because in everyone there's an energy, we believe in that. And it's actually proved scientifically that we have a lot of energy in ourselves. But when we are thinking more of negative, and when we are involved in the past or the future incidences which may happen or which has happened, we lose our energy thinking about all that. But when you do meditation, what happens is you are focused, and your energy source is more and more enhanced in a manner, and then it's generated, and your energy you are spreading to people, and you're spreading to yourself. That progresses in a to become a better person. And the fifth benefit what you will gain when you do meditation is whatever emotional disturbances you have, whatever emotional troubles you have, you get a steadiness in that. You are stable person in a ways. Emotionally you become stable, you become strong, and you balance your emotions as much as possible, because a person who is into meditation on a regular basis hardly feels angry inside, because he or sh- he or she knows what actually is happening, and why people get angry. Because when they are connected to self, what happens is their anger, their happiness, everything will come to a normal and a balanced state. They do not overreact for everything when they are into meditation process. And the sixth benefit what you get is the problems what you are having in your life, you see it in a smaller perspective. Exactly. What happens is, it may be a small issue in your life. You start seeing it as a big issue. Oh, maybe you missed your train, or you missed your bus, or you did not wake up early to work or anything. It's a small issue for you, but you make it a big issue, and you feel annoyed the whole day because you missed something in life, or you missed that train or bus. It may be a small issue, but you make it a big mess in your life, and the whole day you ruin. So what happens is, even a small issue or even a big issue, you start seeing in a very very optimistic manner, where you are focused towards dealing with the issue, even though it's a bigger or it's a smaller issue or problem in your life. You start seeing in a more open minded manner, I can say. So your problems become a problem, just a problem, not a big problem in your life. And your worries also will reduce in a manner when you are into meditation. The last benefit, or what you enhance when you're doing meditation, is peace of mind. Everyone is back of peace of mind. They say that I want this, I want that, I just want to live happily. Finally they say that I want peace in my life after gaining everything. So if you're into meditation on a regular basis, and you're doing it, you're spending enough time for meditation, you get a peace of mind, where your mind, your emotions, your whole physical setup feels relaxed, and you feel that you are having a fantastic life. So after hearing all these benefits, obviously you feel to do more and more. Hope whoever is thinking to do meditation will give a try, and whoever is doing feels really better and good about doing meditation. And again, thanks for watching my video, and if any questions you have, you can ask me. Please share and subscribe my video. If any questions you have, you can ask me. Again, thanks for watching my video.